7 reasons why you should use castor oil before going to sleep. Are you looking for a natural remedy that improves your health and beauty while you sleep? What if we told you that castor oil could be your secret ally during the night? Join us to discover how this ancient oil can transform your bedtime routines. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to Vitamin Vitality, where we discover the secrets to a healthy life. Number 1. Helps with dry skin. Do you suffer from dry skin that seems not to improve with anything? Castor oil could be the natural solution you've been looking for. This miraculous oil acts as a deep moisturizer thanks to its high content of ricinoleic acid, an agent that not only softens, but also retains moisture in the skin, providing relief and rejuvenation. By integrating castor oil into your nighttime skincare routine, you give your skin the chance to fully absorb its regenerative benefits overnight, resulting in a softer, more elastic, and radiant complexion in the morning. Number 2. Helps treat insomnia. Castor oil might be just what you need for better sleep. Using it before bed can help you feel more calm and relaxed, which can make it easier to fall asleep. This is because castor oil can help your body release serotonin, a substance that makes you feel good and helps regulate sleep. Giving yourself a small massage with castor oil in places like the temples or feet before sleeping can enhance this effect even more. This small gesture not only takes advantage of the oil's beneficial effects, but also helps you connect with your body and relax even more, preparing you for a night of deep and restorative sleep. Number 3. Helps promote healthy, shiny hair. Castor oil is a treasure for those seeking a healthier, stronger, and shinier mane. Rich in essential nutrients, this oil is famed for stimulating hair growth, making it grow not only faster, but also thicker and more resilient. Similar to the admirable effects many attribute to coconut oil, regular application of castor oil to the scalp and ends can deeply nourish the roots and hair follicles, strengthening the hair from its origin and reducing fallout. The shine that castor oil brings to your hair is unmatched. Its ability to retain moisture and seal the hair cuticle makes it an excellent natural conditioner, leaving your hair not only stronger and healthier, but also with a silky shine that reflects vitality. Integrating castor oil into your hair care routine can transform your hair, giving it that luxurious and healthy look we all desire. Number 4. Can improve immune function. Castor oil is not only good for your skin and hair, but it can also help keep your body healthy from the inside. This special oil works with a part of your body called the lymphatic system, which is like a cleaning team that helps get rid of things your body doesn't need. When you use castor oil, it can help this cleaning team work better and faster, which means your body can fight off germs more easily. Additionally, using castor oil might be like giving your immune system a little extra boost. It's like having a stronger shield against colds or other illnesses that might make you feel bad. Number 5. A natural laxative. Have you ever felt uncomfortable due to constipation? Castor oil could be the natural solution you're looking for. This oil has been used for centuries as a gentle and effective laxative, helping to relieve constipation and keep the digestive system running smoothly. When taken orally, castor oil works by gently stimulating the muscles of the intestines, which helps move things along and relieve discomfort. It's a natural option for those times when you need a little extra help to feel lighter and more comfortable. Castor oil acts relatively quickly, offering relief within hours, making it ideal for occasional use when you need an immediate boost in your digestive system. However, it's important to use it in moderation and follow the recommended dosage instructions, as its potent effect can be too strong if used excessively. Integrating castor oil as an occasional remedy can be a safe and natural way to keep your digestive well-being in balance. Number 6. Helps heal wounds. Castor oil is not only known for its internal benefits, but also has healing properties that can be extremely useful for treating external wounds. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial components, applying castor oil to cuts, scrapes, or abrasions can accelerate the healing process. Additionally, Its ability to retain moisture helps create an optimal environment for skin regeneration, thus preventing the formation of dry scabs and promoting healing without leaving prominent marks. Furthermore, castor oil can be especially beneficial in the care of chronic or difficult-to-heal wounds, such as skin ulcers. By applying it regularly to the affected area, it can contribute to reducing the size of the wound, decreasing the risk of infection, and promoting a quicker and more effective recovery. Including castor oil in your first aid kit can be an excellent strategy for managing minor skin emergencies at home, ensuring that your skin recovers in the most natural and healthy way possible. Number 7. Helps clean dentures. Castor oil also has a surprising and practical use outside the traditional personal health realm. It can be an excellent ally in cleaning dentures. Its viscous nature and antibacterial properties make it an ideal option for safely and effectively removing bacteria and food residues that often accumulate on dentures. Applying a small amount of castor oil to the denture and gently rubbing can help keep it not only clean, but also sanitized, without the use of harsh chemicals sometimes found in commercial cleaners. Additionally, the regular use of castor oil for denture cleaning can help prolong their lifespan and maintain their fresh and natural appearance. By preventing the formation of stains and the adhesion of food particles, dentures treated with castor oil can offer a comfortable and clean feeling, enhancing the user's experience. This simple and natural method is an excellent addition to the care routine of any denture wearer, ensuring a clean and healthy smile with minimal effort. Have you ever tried castor oil in your daily routine? We'd love to hear how you use it and what benefits you've experienced. Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Castor oil is like a superhero for your nighttime routine. It can make your skin feel super soft, help you go to the bathroom if you have trouble, make your hair shine like in commercials, and even help your body fight off germs. Using it is easy. Just put a little bit where you need it before you go to sleep. It's good to remember that using natural things like castor oil is a great way to take care of yourself. Instead of filling up on weird products full of chemicals, using something that comes straight from nature is a kinder option for your body and the planet. So giving castor oil a chance can be a small change with big benefits for you. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to receive more tips and tricks on how to keep your body and mind in optimal conditions. Give it a like if you're eager to maintain your vitality, and share this video with your loved ones and friends. Together, we will achieve a better quality of life.